On this edition of Sustainably Speaking, a local farm uses newer techniques that are becoming more popular across the country. Local 5's Ryan Kudish finds out the benefits of these new methods.
In the town of Oneida, Vine and Virtue Farm is implementing new techniques to help care for the earth and the consumers. Shane Canterberg, alongside his wife Kenna, have owned and operated the farm for the last 4 years. The farm planted 230 fruit trees, which is where these new techniques will be implemented. The first is silvopasture. Canterberg explains what this model involves.
A silvopasture in particular, the trees grow in their row, and then there's a pretty large space between the next tree row. And the animals go in between there and eat any of the fruit that may have dropped. And then the trees also serve to protect the animals from harsh winds and sun.
This approach helps integrate trees with crops and crops with animals that roam the property. When the animals go and eat the fruit that dropped off the branches, this eliminates the need to do any pest management. The second technique is alley cropping. Canterberg elaborates on how this is used at the farm as well.
Alley cropping, the crops are grown in the tree rows and they're protected from wind and very harsh sun. They still get a good amount of light, but that helps conserve water and make for healthier crops in the long run.
By using this technique, Vine and Virtue Farm is able to use their land more efficiently and allow for higher crop yields at season's end. These two techniques work hand in hand with each other. They help to allow the farmers to focus more on harvesting and less on pest management, and limits the amount of inputs needed into the landscape. Canterberg says the benefits contribute to the success of the farm.
Overall benefit is really improving the land. So our main goal is to improve the soil, which leads to better plant biology, better animal health, and ultimately better human health, because healthy plants and animals equal healthy humans.
And that's Sustainably Speaking. I'm Ryan Kudish, Local 5 News.